today's video, I'm gonna walk you guys through how to create and verify your Bitget account. Now, none of you guys to do this. I'm currently on my iOS device, simply my iPhone, and I'll be using the App Store to first of all download the app and proceed with verification. So let's first of all proceed with downloading the app. Simply tap on the App Store and then tap on the search icon. Now simply search Bitget within the search icon here, or simply Bitget wallets within the search icon. You see this ad and the same pop-up of the app here. Tap on Bitget buy Bitcoin and crypto. Then you see app here. Simply proceed with installing the app onto your iPhone device, on your iPhone device, sorry. And then tap on open one down, installing the app. Now proceed with asking the app not to track. Now here's there's a sign up to get 6,000. They are offering you some reward here. Simply tap on get started. Proceed with creating an account. Simply input your email address. Input in a password. I recommend a strong password, guys. One done, you can agree with your terms, and guys, you can see, with the referral code section here, we will leave a code in the description below. You guys can simply proceed with inserting the referral code here, and then you get some rewards while trading on Bitget. Tap on create accounts one down. Now complete this captcha verification here. A verification code will be sent to your email address if you use one, and same verification code will be sent to you in messages if you use your phone number. Now proceed with pasting the code within this box here. Automatically they want me to set a fingerprint. I'll simply tap on later. Now the account has been registered successfully, but it's not yet verified. Now in order for you guys to verify your accounts, they automatically pop down this verification button here, or you simply, if you don't see this verification button, let's say you came here, maybe later, you'll see this verify button here. Simply tap on verify. Requirements, government issued documents, and face recognition verification. Just like we did on Binance, simply tap on verify now. They would like to access your camera. In order for when they access your camera, what they will want to do next is to simply for you to they recommend you simply taking a photo, a front section of your ID card and back section of your ID card, either scanning or simply taking a picture of it. And the next session will be face recognition or face verification, where you have to simply make some few face motions and everything to get account verified or to qualify you as your owner of the account. And that's it, guys. This is how to create and verify your Bitget account. If you guys enjoyed this video, kindly leave a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated anytime we release a new videos on Neotradas. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.